This is a trading review for Wednesday, the 26th of July 2023. Um, I was a bit confused by the stocks I chose. I had Mimo, which had Simo, sorry, which had a very big gap, but also was very spready. So I wasn't able to really make an entry short. This is the only stock I have seen that looks very likely to drop within the first minute. So, but I didn't pull the trigger because the spread was 40 cents, so I shouldn't have even wasted my time with this stock. And I switched back to Tesla. We actually ended up getting a lot of volume, and we got over the threshold to trade it, which is 70% relative volume. And and so I switched to Tesla and BA. BA, because I was looking at Simo, I missed on this gap long on the 2 minute breakup. We had a gap, pretty sizable gap. Uh, and after we failed to sell off, I should have gone long here at the 2 minute, but I missed it. And then looking at Tesla, I hesitated on this entry long, which shame on me, and it ran up all the way up to R3, and I was hunting the short. I felt like maybe I missed the move here on this wick, this rejection, and I decided to go short on this doji, which had good volume, but not uh, as much as previous candles. And then as soon as I saw that we were bouncing off the 20 moving average, I decided to get out because I knew we were gonna grab a stack that was higher up at the ask. So I got out at break even, and I made an entry short here. I saw the price struggling between the floor pivot and R3. We had a large order at 268, and it pulled the trigger, but it didn't have continuation. There was a lot of shares at 268, so as soon as it hit it, it gave up. So when I saw that price action, I decided to enter with a stop loss at around 268, and very good size for Tesla, 27 shares, and we dropped to 2R. And my mistake here was getting my first partial out at 2R and not 3R, as I'm supposed to when it comes to failures, traverses, which is like responsive trading, because usually it's confirmed pretty well, and as a result, the price came back to my break even. It actually pushed dangerously high to 268. I thought it was gonna touch it, but then created a doji, created another doji, and on this one, which was more of a hammer, as we didn't have buying pressure anymore, I had the opportunity to make another entry here, but I was shaken by the fact that I had gotten stopped out already, and I should have gotten in again. So, bad trade management. I should have held here for 3 to 1. Have more confidence in the system. The fact that we're gonna drop from R3 to at least the gray area, previously close, or something like that, and because I partial too fast, it ended up stopping me out at break even, and then I hesitated to make the entry at this right, this beautiful. We have a doji even in the 5 minutes, two of them. This is like more of a test, so no buying really, and you enter for a short here for a beautiful move. So yeah, not too happy about my trade management, but at least I managed to read the price section well. So the first trade was an traverse. We executed well after that doji. Minus 1. Whoa. -1. This was also a traverse, yes. And this one was bearish now. But we ended up with 2.1, 2.2 actually. And then those are the only two trades I took, and I stopped trading because I missed opportunities. I don't think anything's gonna happen. Uh, I'm watching Stop the Gap a lot, and I could watch Tesla for a return to S3, but I already missed out these two opportunities. So I think I'm gonna end the day before I start making mistakes. I didn't hit my profit goal, but that's not necessary. Oh no, I copied this. But at least I follow my rules, and I'm stopping once I know that opportunities pretty much I missed them, and at least I'm having good management of my emotions. I respect the rules today. Um, did the morning routine. Had good pre-market analysis. And that went to the conditions. Respected stop loss. And pull the trigger after hesitation. So I think all of that is good stuff. Could have been better, but I did take only good trades, and I executed all of them perfectly. Took trades, and I will say 2-0. We ended up with 1.1 R. So far so good. Not the best day, but not the worst. I wish I had executed on this signal on Tesla, but we learn and move on. So that's it for the trading review.